What's up? I'm back. Today, we're gonna be teaching these boys a lesson, okay? Got my hammer right here, okay? Now, problem that these bad boys have been doing, okay? One, we have Fortnite, okay? So that's a reason for itself. 2, we have Roblox. That's another reason for itself. But 3, we have missing leg, army, cheap China, made in China, stupid man. I don't like him. That's why he's missing a leg already. Just tore it off. So, I think we should get to smashing. Just gonna... Yep, just exploded. Okay, I think he's been taught a lesson. Just one more good smash. Okay. Let's get to Roblox. We'll save Fortnite for last. Actually, no, we'll save Roblox for last since no one likes that. Okay. Oh, come on. Die. Getting awfully close there, buddy. How's that 0 point coming along? Huh? There we go. We need to smash the face. The face is my least favorite part. Line it up. That is some major brain damage right there. Let's take a look. He's hiding the pain inside. Again, let's get a good... Oh yeah. Okay, let's get a better throw. Shall we? We're gonna line this up. Drop. Okay, that didn't really do anything, so I'm gonna continue to smash. Die, you twat. Okay. Kind of a random video, I just felt like getting some anger out. Okay. Alright. They make them quote-unquote durable, so kids don't break them easily and then complain. How's that feel? Getting your head crushed. Let's take a look. Alright, here's him so far. Like, alright, let's continue. Don't go in the grass, don't hide there. I can still find you. Get over here. Bruh. Alright. Perfect. I better get a lot of views for this, or else it's kind of just a waste of time. Oh, he just stuck to that one. How you doing, buddy? You doing good? How you feeling? I have to line it up. Okay. It's barely any damage at all, but as you can see, some good damage. Now, let's get to Roblox, the one I hate the most. Okay? You cheap. Okay. Okay, I broke his head off, I think. Get over here. He's trying to hide. Don't worry, little buddy. Whew. This hammer. Good boy. Alright. It's just... Alright. There's the damage. Okay, I'm gonna stand up because being on my knees is difficult, especially when you're, way too tall for your age. Let's keep it going. Where did he go? He just went flying. What just moved in that bush? Okay, something's in that bush. I'm not going near that. I guess he's just lost there. Let's drop it like it's hot, shall we? Drop it like it's hot. Oh. Okay, let's just chuck it down. Alright, I think that'll do. Just disappeared to the abyss of that bush. Step on it. How's it feel? Oh yeah, that's right. Can't talk. Good, because I don't want you to talk. Continuing. Okay. There's the damage. Probably gonna regret that, but right now it feels pretty good. Other than it's humid outside. Jesus. Problems of being fat. I know some of you can relate. Alrighty. One more good hit. And it disappeared again. Oh, no, never mind. It's right there. Can't even land a hit. I'm just burying it. I mean, like, knock on cement, like, yeah, I buried that. Dispose of the body. Alrighty, boys. Thanks for watching this video. Just gonna be posting random stuff from now on. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bounce.